What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Well, everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be cooking some stuffed chicken. The hood Ruth Chris. Alright, first you need cream cheese. I got cauliflower and broccoli. You need the ranch packet, pepper. I'm going fast, I don't know why. Cheese and your chicken breast. And I already got my chicken breast seasoned. So the cauliflower and the broccoli, the packet of ranch, the black pepper, cream cheese, yada yada yada. Y'all get it. Moving on. So next we're gonna mix the cream cheese and the ranch packet and put a little pepper in it. The ranch packet is really gonna help it with salt wise, but you want to taste it. So if you want to put salt in, you can, but that ranch packet is kind of salty. And then you're gonna mix the cheese, the cream cheese, the salt and pepper. Sorry if you want to use salt, but I ain't use salt. So we're mixing all that together. And we're gonna get our little skillet ready for these chicken breasts. Because after we stuff them, we just gonna, brown them a little bit, saute them a little bit. So after that, your mixture should look like this. A little bit, something like that. And you're gonna split your chicken breast on the side. Cut it. You're gonna cut it on the side. And I'm gonna show you, you see how I'm doing my finger on the side right there. I normally cut it where the biggest part is. So like if it's thick, I cut it the thickest part and open it up like this. So I cut the thickest part just because, it'll be easier to cook on both sides. To cook really quickly. If you flip it on both sides, it'd be harder to cook if you got that thick piece of chicken. Yeah. So when you stuff it, it should look like this. And then we're gonna put a little oil in our pan. After we put a little oil in our pan, we're gonna turn that thing up. Okay? After we turn the thing up, you see our little chicken is seasoned and all that good stuff. You wanna go back and season it, you can. But we just gonna put these bad boys in this skillet. Just like that. And we're gonna let that thing saute on one side. You don't want to cook these through. Do not cook through. We just browning. This just for the browning. And also for the seasoning for the chicken, I use paprika, salt, pepper. I lied, I didn't use salt. I don't be using salt. It's seasoned salt. That's what I call salt. So seasoned salt, pepper, garlic powder. The paprika really give it that color. I just used a little bit of paprika, not a whole lot. Paprika really ain't got no taste. Then we're gonna put our oven on 400 for 20 minutes. We're gonna take them out the pot. Yeah, that's my little salad I put together, y'all. But when you take these out the pot, you're gonna take these out the skillet and you're gonna put them in the pan and basically cook them for 20 minutes. You wanna check, flip, check. This just me doing my salad, child. Don't worry about it. But we're gonna go back to the chicken in a few minutes. So this is what the chicken should be looking like. It's almost done. I cooked the cookie, child. But this is the finished product. How y'all think I did? I know. Like, comment, subscribe. Comment down below. If you want to, me to stuff any chicken any other kind of way, let me know. Or you want me to stuff anything else, let me know. You know what I'm saying? I like new recipes. I'm up for challenges. Thanks for watching.